Hi guys and welcome to another vlog. Siyempre wala na itong element of surprise kasi start pa lang ng vlog. Andito na sila. I am with my Bards parents. Jen Barangan and Captain Red. So ayun, I will interview them both about unanswered questions ng taong bayan.
Talaga ba, Adi?
Natatakot ako kasi grabe talaga ito. Walang preno itong magtanong si Adi.
The questions may still be unanswered after this vlog. So wag po kayo umasa.
Don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second.
Dito
Parang you can see the fear on their eyes. Sabi ko ngayon bayad niya.
Akala namin magmumukbang lang.
Magmukbang de guys. So basically kasi wala akong questions na nakahanda in mind. Gusto ko lang talaga makipag-usap with my parents, Mommy Bards here and Daddy Bards right there. Pero syempre, we're going to fish some answers that people would like to hear. Para naman magka-views ako. Ha?
Talaga ba?
Sobrang honest. Let's begin the mukbang. Let's do this. So guys, I ordered food from La Creperie here in New Manila. And ito yung pinaka-favorite kong restaurant, especially pag breakfast. Pero ito din yung restaurant na mga 5 times kong niyaya si Jennifer at si Ren, pero never silang nag-G. Kaya I just brought La Creperie to them today.
Thank you so much.
Let's go! This is a truffle mushroom cream. As you can see there. Ayan. This is request ni Jento actually. Spicy, or I'm not sure if spicy to, pero I think it's spicy. Spicy pomodoro. Kasi sabi niya gusto niya seafood. Yan lang yung seafood na meron doon.
Tanong mo pa paano yung conversation niya about yung kung may gusto ba siyang food.
Ayun. Tanto mo.
Sabi niya kasi, anong gusto mo na food? Sabi ko, kahit ano. Ay hindi, tinanong mo ko, seafood ha?
Seafood ko. Talaga ba? Okay.
Hindi, tinanong mo ko eh.
Okay. Gano'n para tayo ngayon. Ito guys, yung pinaka-personal favorite ko talaga. It's eggplant moussaka. So basically, eggplant lang siya with red sauce. Yung red sauce, hindi ko alam kung ano siya. This is a savory crepe. It's called Italian. Meron siyang ham, Gruyere cheese, cream cheese, and meron siyang mga, I forgot this one, basta dried something siya. Tapos it's inside a crepe. This is super yummy.
Alam mo, Adi, di ba nagluluto ka? Dapat nagluto mo na lang kami.
Oo.
Tinatamad ako. So, eto guys, the most famous butter and sugar lang, very plain. Masarap na ito from La Creperie. And this is a salted caramel crepe for dessert. So, mali yung ating arrangement kasi later pa to.
So ito na yung mga dessert.
Itong dalawa dessert, ito lahat magkain.
Okay.
Appetizer, main course, dessert. Ayun. So for sure, mabubusog sila ngayong araw na to. Kaya wala nang TF to. Ito na lang talaga. Yung bayad.
But meron pa isa.
Oo, yung yun. Anyway, let's start the first question. Pero mag-uusap muna tayo. Kamusta naman ang inyong Christmas?
Usap muna ba dapat? Hindi
Akala ko
muna.
kakain.
Sige, kumain na kayo.
Kain po.
Kain mo. Ako ko kakain.
Oo nga, habang kumakain. Pero
sige.
I just wanna ask, since na nakita tayo nung 28 for the Kumu something, hindi naman tayo nakapag-chikahan ng sobrang dami kasi nga, that was for work, right?
And masama din pakiramdam mo na.
And masama kayo pakiramdam ko doon. Guys, wala akong COVID. Nagpa-booster lang ako ng Moderna and Moderna killed me. Just saying, as in like 2 days akong ganon.
Pero lumaban yung Adi niya.
Ay, nako.
Lumaban. Yung manok.
Ang sarap.
Inubos ko yung manok. So, where did you spend Christmas? Ay, hindi.
Doon pala.
Andun na pala kami nung Christmas. Sinurprise ka namin.
Oo,
Birthday ko. They're
So
so
guys,
sweet, guys.
kwento, she's all alone daw kasi ng Christmas and birthday niya. Kasi birthday niya sakto the day after Christmas, which is 26th. Yun, napaiyak naman yung Jennifer Barangan, no?
Hindi kasi,
Nakita niyo ba yun?
sanay kasi ako na I'm always celebrating it alone and sanay ako na parang wala talagang time mga tao kasi it's a Christmas season, expected mo na lahat ng mga friends mo or mga tao is with their family, parang gano'n. Tapos, meron pang pinagdadaanan and all. So, hindi ko talaga expect yun.
So,
I was very emotional during that time.
So since you mentioned na sanay kang to spend Christmas alone, parang next Christmas naman hindi ka na alone.
Hindi na ngayon.
Which leads me to my first question. Ano na nga ba talagang isang Captain Ren tsaka Jennifer Barangan? As in like, what is the label? Kasi parang may TikTok kayo pero parang hindi naman kayo nagsalita doon. Pero ano ang label ng isang...
Ang clear kaya nun.
Hindi sabihin nyo, what is the label of Captain Renz and Jen David. Mali. Jen Barangas. Ayun, go.
Bagay na, bagay.
You are? Bagay yung Jen David daw
Siya
sa'yo.
magsalita sa lalaki.
Hindi. Dalawa kayo, sabay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Dating.
Dating, guys. We are dating.
You guys are dating since when? Like, what's the exact date of the starting date of the dating? Ha?
Yan ba?
Ang gulo. How did you guys form the label na dating?
Talaga ba, Adi?
Kung gusto lang sagutin, pero kung ayaw, okay lang.
Actually, hindi naman namin yun napag-usapan kasi parang dumating lang kami sa point na mukha kami nagda-date talaga.
Oh.
And
So, what?
pero matagal ko naman na sinabi sa kanya na hindi ko pa sinabi, tinanong ko siya, alam mo naman na naliligaw ako, di ba? Ganun.
Parang kayo.
Hindi.
Di ba yun?
Hindi ganun. No, it's more of like conversation na parang so we're sort of close now with each other. Like we spend a lot of times together. So parang tinanong ko siya na so ano? Parang ganun na ba?
Wait, so kailan ito nangyari? Before you posted that TikTok or way before ba?
Way before, like sobrang tagal na.
So you've been dating since way before?
Oo, kailan natin? We
Okay.
forgot na talaga
Oo.
guys. As in,
Basta
we
you've been
forgot.
dating the way before, tapos you did not tell us ba?
Oo, parang ganun.
As in even Bardakad?
Parang kami lang, parang kami lang.
Mm.
Hindi kasi parang sa akin, I will never assume something unless stated otherwise.
Exactly. That's why we never ask.
Even if sobrang ma-effort na niya and all, as long as hindi mo sasabihin na naliligaw ako, I'm gonna assume na hindi ka naliligaw sa akin. Or I'll take it na hindi ka naliligaw even if you're so sweet and all. Basta tinanong ko siya na, so, anong ginagawa mo? Ano yung pinapakita mo? So parang para sa kanya, naliligaw, hindi ba to panliligaw for you? Sa kanya, naliligaw na pala siya noon.
Pero he never stated it verbally.
Yes. Kasi parang sabi niya, I don't feel the need of telling it to you kasi sa actions ko, yun na pinapakita ko.
Di ba yung tanong ko sa'yo, alam mo naman na naliligaw ako, di ba?
Yun yung sinabi niya, alam mo na naman, sabi ko, paano ko malalaman, di mo sinabi ngayon, pa lang nga sinabi na naliligaw ko pala.
Which is tama behavior on your part, no? Kasi
Diba?
mahirap maging asumera.
Asumera.
So now that it's out in the world na you two are dating and things like that, na you're making landi-landi each other.
Ang pangit na may kilamit.
Matters mo,
sorry. Ganto lang talaga yung bunganga ko, guys. Pero since that you're already dating, can you please share to us, if okay lang, yung naging first official date niyo?
Wala akong
Hindi, pero niyaya kita, sabi ko mag-date naman tayo. Nung sa Halaba.
nung nag-dinner.
Hindi na kami sa...
Ayun, yun na yung sabi niya.
Yung rooftop. Ay, hindi.
Mag-date naman tayo.
May view.
Yun na yun.
Yun
Yung may
sabi
view.
niya.
Oo.
Question. Yung sa 24-hour jowa challenge nyo, may something na nun or wala pa?
Wala pa.
Wala talaga.
Wala. So,
Yun nga yung maganda doon kasi wala pa.
tapos
Nag-develop.
feeling mo baka dahil doon kaya na-develop? Or kahit na hindi develop, kahit na nagkaroon ka ng idea, parang, oh, I might like this girl because of this 24-hour jowa challenge.
Yeah. Curious ako. Kailan mo nasabi na, ako na
Go!
Kailan mo nasabi na, I have something for this girl. I have a feeling towards this girl.
Hindi ko na din maalala, pero nung after ng Jowa Challenge, hindi pa rin doon. Pero after nun, di ba, lagi na rin tayo nagkakasama.
With or without Bardakites? As in, hindi kayong dalawa lang? Or
Hindi.
Lagi may barda
with
cards.
barda cards.
laging may Bardakites?
Yes, lagi may barda cards.
Ikaw naman, Jen. I will throw the question to you.
Ano?
When did you first realize na parang, uy, parang may spark ako with Renz David?
Ako hindi ko alam yung natin.
Hindi na.
Hindi, ano to siya? Oh my God, sasabihin ko ba? I-share ko ba?
Ay, wala kahit na briefly.
Hindi, kasi during that time, during the 24 hours Jowa Challenge, the reason why wala din talaga doon because I actually have something for someone. Parang ganon. Oh my gosh, showbiz! So, kaya I'm not really parang interested. So parang sabi ko, ay, this is just a collab, parang ganun. We're doing it for the vlog, we're doing it for the people who are supporting us. Tapos, hanggang sa maraming nangyari, until some point na, yun, nagpapakita siya ng mga actions na, maybe he's really into me, pero ayoko mag-assume. And also, parang, I still have something for the someone. Hanggang sa may mga nangyari, may mga incidents na slowly, let's just say this someone or this person, I realize na what I have for him is hindi niya deserve. It's because of how he couldn't trust me
Good.
as a person, parang ganun. And for me, that was a red flag. But it doesn't necessarily mean that I have to cut ties. I have to end whatever we have, parang ganun siya. And then because of that, dun ko na mas nakita ang Renz na Vin.
So, ito ang follow-up question ko sa'yo. Since ikaw nag-open up ng comparison. Since ikaw nag-open up ng comparison, anong meron si Renz David na wala yung isa?
Yung comparison.
Yeah.
Let's not...
Yeah, let's not compare, pero this strengthens the idea na, oh, maybe Renz David is the one. Parang ano yung nakita mo na sobrang unique lang sa kanya. Fine, not comparing, pero more like, what is unique with Renz David?
What made me saw him, siguro.
Yeah, exactly.
Na, siguro nung how he treats me, like how, gano'n siya ka-gentleman, and...
Uy, gentleman ka pala. Sorry. Wrong.
Alam mo yung just, the smallest things, it matters eh. Na kapag i-compile mo na siya, like, kasi sobra, I really believe nung even the smallest details or the smallest things, yun yung makakapag-appreciate mo sa isang tao. Na just a simple, alam niyo, just a simple act of looking for the nearest parking sa entrance ng mall.
Para lang hindi ka mahirapan.
Para hindi mo mahirapan maglakad.
I will serve you Italian. I go.
Hala, baka maano din ako niya.
Hindi
Little
ko.
things. As in, maraming mga instances like how he remembers details na gusto ko. And one day, ay, ginawa na niya. Just say for example, recently, parang gusto ko, alam niya na gusto ko watermelon, bumili siya ng watermelon ngayon. Parang, ganun lang. Like,
Are you really a detailed person basta yung tao gusto mo? Or you just...
No, as a person kasi ganun ako. And lalo na sa taong gusto ko.
Gusto ka daw niya.
gusto niya ako.
No kayo. Hindi siya masaya ka bonding. Guys, sakit.
Iba talaga ang adi mag-ano ng mga information, guys.
Love story na ba? Yun ang tanong. Keyword
Siguro,
love.
The things that we're doing now, it's like, we're trying to build the story kung ano man siya, saan man siya pupunta.
So talagang,
We're writing our own narratives pa lang.
eto, the ultimate question.
Ba't ako nagsasalita the
Hindi, both of you guys. The ultimate question, is it love already?
Alam mo yung kasalukuyan kong sumusubo? Tapos yung tanong ganyan.
Buti natin kami pagkawin adi.
Ikaw naman, Renz Bernard, what made you see Jen Barangan?
Siya nung una, sa totoo lang, alam naman niya to eh. Hindi siya yung type ko. Hindi ganyan yung type ko.
Atin.
Okay, I will cut you off there.
Hmm.
I will cut you off there. What is your type?
Maputi. Mukhang baby face.
Tatay nga kita, alam mo yun?
Di ba?
Yun yung type ko eh. Go.
Cute. Ganun.
Uy, no, type ko. Parang si Kauni.
Hmm.
Pero syempre si Tipiya muna, tapos ikaw.
Pero ganun mga looks ba? Ano?
Guys.
Yun.
So bakit ka?
Hindi ako.
Actually, hindi ko alam na.
Hindi ako cute.
Next question.
Yung puting ano kasi, yung puting maputi pa ba? Alam?
Like ako.
Yan, mga ganyang puti. Kisses.
Okay. Vlog ko to, di ba? Ito tayo na-away. O, go. Tapos,
So, ayun. Actually, hindi ko rin alam bakit siya. Develop na lang din all throughout na nagkakasama kami.
Alam mo ba?
Hindi ko yun inaasahan. Sabi ko nga, yung unexpected person at the unexpected time.
unexpected person at the perfect time.
Hindi, unexpected time kasi siya sa akin. Kasi hindi rin ako ready.
Sorry, ba't ako decision?
Hindi rin ako ready before sa relationship. Like, ano lang ako.
Gets.
Gusto ko lang enjoyin muna kung ano yung meron.
Gets. Now you know, hindi talaga type na rin si Bernard si Jennifer Barangan. Pero, alam mo guys, ito yung one thing na natutunan ko sa 6 years namin ni Pia na nagmamahalan. Talaga ba? Yan yung pinaka mahirap na question i-answer pag talagang alam mong mahal mo yung tao. O hindi, sorry. Pagka talagang alam mong gusto mo yung tao or meron ka ng sense of security dun sa tao. Kasi when people ask me, bakit si Pia? Parang, bakit nga ba?
Hirap sagutin, di ba?
Hindi ko talaga siya nasasagot. Hindi lang dahil maganda siya, hindi lang dahil maputi siya.
Madami kang pwedeng sabihin.
Dahil pa rin sabihin, pero sa sobrang dami, hindi mo na masabi kung ano yung doon sa isa. Kaya my answer all the time is because she's Pia. Because Pia is Pia. Like, wala talagang specific one kung bakit ko siya minahal. Dahil, kasi if meron ka doon masagot, meaning nun, hindi mo siya accepted sa lahat ng siya. Yun lang yung minahal mo. Pero if ever you grow old together, nagpangit na siya, umitim siya, nag-beat siya, ayaw mo na siya. I have 4 questions for this new couple. What's your New Year's wish for yourself na pwede mo i-share?
I'll get to handle my finances well.
How about you? New Year's wish to yourself.
Sa akin, sana maging focus ako dun sa goal ko talaga. And sana ma-pursue ko na siya as
Can you
soon as
share that
possible.
goal? No.
Pilot.
Ha? Pilot.
Doon naman talaga dapat. Mapagpalipad na as soon as possible.
Eh, what if si Jen na lang yung ipalipad mo? Ha? What is your
Ikaw, ano?
Ikaw ano?
Talk show ko to, huwag kayong magulo. What is your New Year's wish for your guy?
Sa kanya?
Sino ba yung guy mo nila? Ako?
Same thing, kasi I really want him to pursue whatever career path or dream na gusto niyang maabot because he deserves that. And he has a lot of things na, aside from that, it's not just a dream of his own, but also it's a dream for his family. So, alam niyo yun, parang as much as I really wanted to see him happy, I also want to see his family happy too.
Direk! Stop naman! Okay, bago natin i-ask si Renz Bernard, let's try the dessert kasi natry na natin lahat eh.
Ay,
Bago matapos ang vlog na to.
hindi na ito favorite ko lang.
Guys, kinain niya lahat. Di ba kung mukbang kumakain lahat? Pero hindi si Jen, ito lang pala yung kinain niya.
Okay.
So guys, before we go to the last question for Cup, let's try the dessert.
Okay.
Once again, this is butter and sugar. This is salted caramel whipped cream.
Anong gagawin? Paano siya kakainin?
Try mong iwis yung mouth mo para kainin. kung hindi mo naisip yun, pwede naman.
Visit ka na.
Kala ko ilong.
So, I'm gonna spread cream cheese to.
No, whipped cream. Kakasabi ko lang yung salted caramel ng whipped cream. Hindi naman salted caramel ng cream cheese.
Sorry. Listening kills.
Ano skills? Skills.
Kills. Kasi bad... Ay, joke yun siya. If you have a bad listening skill, so dapat listening kills.
Okay.
Sorry.
Continue.
You know, for
Kasi
me,
yung joke-
joke ko kasi for highly intellectual.
Hindi, kasi yung joke niya guys, pang Tomas Mata, yung jokes ko pang yung Manila.
Bakit?
Ganun talaga.
Ba't siya sa akin pangkain pa lang?
Nice? Nice? Guys, pagka sa crepe, butter and sugar lang talaga yung like go-to crepe ko. Usually with condensed ba. I don't have crepe na may sobrang daming sugar, strawberries, and syrup or shit like that. Pero talagang butter and sugar so that you can taste the formulation of the crepe. Anyway,
Ayun, may natayang
sorry,
kami.
nakalimutan ko. Anyway, ikaw Kap, what is your New Year's wish for your girl? Ako
Basta
din.
ano, ang wish ko lang sa kanya, matupad niya lahat ng gusto niyang, ay matupad lahat ng mga pangarap niya and susuportan ko siya sa lahat ng yun. And yun lang, basta,
Hindi yun ko.
basta ano,
Hindi pa siya.
basta gusto ko lang makita ang masaya siya. Yun lang.
Wag kang masaya, hindi yan para
Hindi tayo nag-a-assume. Hanggat walang pala papangalan sinasabi ko.
Para sa iyo yun. Ha?
Pangalan!
Jeneline Barangan.
Ayun!
Jeneline Yamyamin Barangan.
Anyway guys, thank you for eating with us and watching us eat. And of course, sana na-enjoy nyo tong very unanswered questions with Jennifer and Renz David. Kasi talagang na-answer natin ang mga hindi pa nila nasasagot since then, and you know, all thanks to me.
Wow,
Hindi na lang talaga magpagkain.
Buti na lang talaga.
Alam niya kung anong kahinaan namin.
Pagkain. Masarap ang pagkain na aking dinala para sa kanila. Pero anyway guys, thank you again for watching this vlog. Happy New Year! Don't forget to
Subscribe.
Like,
and comment
Don't forget to tap the notification bell.
and share the vlog. Of course guys, please don't skip the ads kasi finally monetize na tayo. Yay, yay, yay! And see you guys next Saturday. Bye!
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now